Okay, now for this dessert. It's very, very simple. I'm going to heat up everything in this pan and then layer it with a little bit more pound cake, some strawberry syrup, and some cream in a glass. It's super fast and it's very easy to make. And of course, one always has these things lying around. It is utterly and delectably delicious though. Okay, so just very quickly mush all these things together. Okay, so the butter is melting and the pound cake is melting too. And the minute you smell the aroma of the cottage cheese come up, you know you're on to a winner. Now the aim is here to brown the pound cake. So as soon as you start smelling that lovely sweetness of sweet bread basically hitting you, you know that you're almost done. And bananas are very, very easy. They're really high on energy and they're very easy to cook and break down, and they're perfect and sweet. And of course, if you don't like bananas, use any other fruit. Like mango, peach, they're very good alternatives. All right, our goop is almost ready. The bananas have started, secreting their stickiness, and their glutinous nature is coming out. So, bring everything to the center. And we are done. We just turn the heat off, but very, very quickly, because I want this fantastic marbled effect to go through. I'm just going to take a little of the banana pound cake and pop it into my glass. And then pour in some fantastic strawberry syrup and layer a strawberry in it. Then cover it up with some more on top. Right, so that's it. I'm done with dessert. And now I'm going to quickly make my drink. Now, my drink. I was racking my brains wondering what should I make today, because I like having something that's absolutely new and refreshing every day at iftari. So today I thought, well, what do I have left? Looking around, I thought some bananas. So let's pop the banana into this. Then I was thinking 1 teaspoon of sugar, just to sweeten it up. Although it's pretty sweet on its own. Then, about 4 tablespoons of cream, because I think cream and bananas go beautifully well together and they make a fantastic milkshakey-esque drink. Okay, so 4 tablespoons of cream. Then I thought, oh look, I have this fantastic red chili here. I wonder how that'll taste. So I'm just going to take a very little bit, small bit of it. I just want a little kick of this fresh red chili. And I'm going to pop it into my little blender bowl. Then I thought, chocolate. I'm just going to take a couple of slices of chocolate, like so. And this is a lovely dark cooking chocolate. Just going to use my knife and slice it through. Technically, I should have heated it, but I think this should do the job. I'm just going to pop that in, and that was about 2 tablespoons worth. In that goes, like so. Now, further to that, I am going to add in about 400 mils of milk. And now I'm simply going to blend it up. Give it a good mix. And time to blitz. And there we have it, my killer banana, chocolate and chili drink. Now I have to plate up immediately because I'm out of time. Right, so I'm done creating my rather delicious menu, and if I have to say so myself, I can't wait to eat it. That's also because I'm really hungry today. But I thought something nice, cool and refreshing after my very, very warm day, and what better than these lovely cucumber boats. And they're filled with cottage cheese, with a little feta. I put a little pear in there, you know, to give a sweetness and a little bit of crunch. And they're so easy to make. You can make one for yourself, or you can make 12 dozen for a billion guests that pop in at the last minute. And of course, you know, spice it up a little bit. You can add a little mustard into this, you know, to give it a warmth. Cucumber boats are a great hit with everyone, and don't they just look utterly beautiful? Moving on to my main course, something that I love, and that is roast beef steak. Now, what I did was I took the chuck end of the undercut, which is a bit that we usually keep for frying, and you know, the one that we don't really look at with that much love. So what I did, I spiced it up. I, you know, gave it a lovely coating of all these different spices, and I put it in the oven with some feta, some onions, some carrot around the sides. So vegetables and fruit fusing together, giving all these phenomenal juices coming together in a dish of roast beef. And of course, if there's tons left over, use them in sandwiches. Utterly delicious. Moving on to my dessert. That is something that I can't wait to dig into. It's basically a banana trifle. Well, a banana strawberry fusion trifle, and it's a fusion version of it. It's not actually the way trifle is made, but a little pound cake, a little cream, some sugar, blend it together, and it's, you know, it's very easy. That's what I want to emphasize on today, is that from the cucumber boats to the main course to the dessert, it's super, super fast. You can put all these things together in less than half an hour if you have guests dropping in. Then finally, my drink, and I think I must be thirsty because I'm losing track, and all I want to do is get into that. It's this chocolate chili banana shake. A little bit of milk, a little bit of cream, a little red chili, and I definitely, one thing you must remember, don't choose a very strong chili. The red variety of the larger kind, they're a bit bland and they go well. All they do is they give a slight little kick at the end. You know, if you're a little sip at the back of your throat, and that's perfect and goes so beautifully well with chocolate. I mean, the South Americans did that for billions of years, so why not us over here? So that's a phenomenally great drink, and of course, kids love chocolate. It's super easy and super quick. Now, I think I'm just repeating myself again and again. Again, the emphasis. Iftari should be super fast. Cucumber boats, a great and easy entree. Roast beef, phenomenally good, huge for guests. People love it and it looks beautiful as well. The trifle, again, kids will love it. You can use different fruit in there, so you can be very adventurous when you're doing your fusion cooking. And your drink, chocolate chili banana shake. Now I'm gonna go out, get stuck into it, and I suggest you do the same. Right, so now I'm going to stop talking about all of this. I'm going to go outside and get stuck in, and I suggest you do the same. Remember, if you want to see me fuse something or have any comments, write in on fusion@dawnnews.tv. From myself, till next time, take care.